Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taking out my first gen and I'm going to go pick up a mud side by side. Someone asked for like 50 grand for it. It's in perfect condition. It's got a turbo in it. I'm just going to hop in the truck real quick. It's not that far from here. It's just a couple minutes away. But we're going to go pick it up and test it out in the backyard. I'm gonna go find it. I don't remember where he said it was, but I'm gonna go find it and I'll check back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, I found his house, but that took me a while. And there she is. And he said he wants 50 grand for it and I'll take it. I might bring him down to 45. I'll see. I'll go deal with him and see what he wants for it. I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, I just got done talking with him and he wanted 45 grand for it. And then I bought it, so now I got this beast. Look at her. She's got orange, she's got a snorkel, she's got everything you need for mud, and look at that. Nice exhaust pipe, nice lifted. She's got some nice tires. Okay, I'm gonna put her on the back of the trailer. Be with you guys in a second. Before I load this up on the trailer, I want to see how fast it goes. So we'll go to the end of this, and then we'll see how fast it goes real quick. Oh, she's fast. Jump it! Woo! Oh God, got stuck in the road for a second. Ooh, not going off the edge. Okay, I'm gonna go load her up on the trailer, and then we should be good to head off back home. I'm just gonna load her up. Whoop. God dang it. Got my trailer all messed up now. Just flip her up on here. Take the truck. I'm gonna hook the trailer up in a second, and I'll catch you guys in a couple seconds. Okay, I got the trailer hooked up. We should be good to head out of here. Okie dokie, so let's go this way. Oh yeah, at the beginning of the video, I was chilling at my shop, so I had to run and grab my stuff. I had to grab some gas just in case there wasn't any in the side-by-side, but he said it was all fine, so we should be good to go. I'm gonna head back home and then we'll check her out. Check you guys in a second. Okay, I made it home now. I'm gonna switch it out and see how she runs. Back her off the trailer. Now we run it forward. Let's go, we'll take it to the track. And we'll start right here. Send it over the first jump. Ooh, just barely made it. Flip her over. Get her on this jump. And then we should be able to just be on our way on the track. I'm gonna get a dirt bike soon so I can rip around on that on the track. Ooh, a little bumpy over there. Yeah, smooth this track out. Ooh, front flip. Tree. Who put a tree there? Ooh, Jesus, dude. What happened with my side-by-side? I mean, it does a Polaris, so it does funky stuff. I mean, when I mean funky stuff, it's funky. So, let's keep going. Whee! And now we're at the whoops. Oh, Jesus. Jesus! I know this thing is made for mud, but I don't think it'd be this crazy on the track. Thought it would have ran nice and smooth. Jeez. We'll send her. Okay, let's head back to the house and grab the truck. Go find somewhere to go mudding. See you guys in a second. Okay guys, I had to go a long ways out of town just to get here. But yeah, I found a nice muddy spot to take the little flare ass with. You just gotta register right here real quick or get a sticker. Be right back in a second. He got the flare ass all registered. Now I can go rip in the mud. Right here. Do you guys think I should put a bigger lift kit on the first gen? Because I think it needs a bigger lift kit. Okay, let's pop all the diff lock on. Whip her and roll. Full throttle. She's just jumpy. Jeez. We're turning the other way. Gotta back up real quick. Ooh. I'm flinging mud all over the place. Oh, baby. Wake it up. Come on, you little beast. Come on. Oh, there she went. Pop the back in there. Ran over the next one. Send it. Ooh. Right. That water didn't seem that thick, but we're still sending her. Come on, baby. Make it through the mall. Come on. Up that little slope. Full send. Oh. It's very deep. I'll go around it. Swing all over the place. Can't even get a hold of her. Snake will just come under. Go! 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 Get out of there! This mud's really thick. Not going that way. Come on, baby. Someone's making a turn to the side by side. This might pull out like a Honda. Might pull out like a Honda. Oh, she pulled out just like a Honda. Running perfectly fine. Nope, we need the winch. Come on, baby. Press the gas a little. There we go. No! Fell back into the mall. Okay. There we go, we're out. I'm gonna end the video right here because I'm getting a little bit tired. I'll upload the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, boy.